Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Hyundai Santa Fe. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake, then open the hood and remove any plastic covers. Disconnect the negative terminal first using a 10 mm wrench, then the positive terminal, and unbolt the hold-down clamp. Carefully lift the old battery straight up, avoiding tilting or jostling, and place it on a stable surface for disposal. After removing the old battery, inspect the tray and terminal clamps for corrosion or damage. Use a wire brush and baking soda solution to neutralize acid and clean contacts thoroughly, rinsing with water and drying well. Check cable insulation and replace any frayed wires, then apply a thin coat of dielectric grease to terminal posts to prevent future corrosion before installing the new battery. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for socks that outlast road trips and garage work. I love that rugged comfort while wrenching on a Hyundai Santa Fe, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Set the new battery into the tray and ensure it sits flat and oriented correctly for cable reach. Fasten the hold-down clamp so the battery cannot move, then connect the positive terminal first and the negative terminal second, tightening nuts snugly. Start the engine to confirm a good connection, check headlights and infotainment, and reset clocks or settings if needed, then close the hood and enjoy a reliable start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.